Hi, thanks for joining. In this video, we'll show how knowledge graph relationships replace join and union statements to make data teams more productive and make queries easier to manage and reuse. Relationships are links between concepts in the knowledge graph. For example, concepts customer and order are connected by the relationship has ordered and inversely by ordered by. When set in a graph, relationships can be traversed. For example, if concepts product and customer are not connected, but they both connect to concept order, then the graph allows us to traverse from customer to order and then to product. Timbr applies relationships to substitute join and union clauses that make use of foreign keys in relational databases. Let's see how this works with an example. We modeled a supply chain knowledge graph using common business concepts connected by relationships and mapped to the data. The data is stored in a number of tables referencing customers, orders, products, shipments, and more. The question that we need to answer is, how many products have been ordered by each customer? We start by exploring the relationships in the graph. We can see that concept order connects to both customer and product. Now we know that we can use this path to traverse the graph. Let's hop over to the SQL editor to demonstrate this in our query. We'll choose the Timbr schema that exposes the relationships as virtual columns. Next, let's select concept customer to load the metadata which helps us build our query. Great, we can now see the customer's properties such as customer email, ID, name, and so on. Below, we can also see the relationships we've defined to other concepts. We'll start our query by selecting customer name by copying it from the metadata. Next, we want to count the number of products of all customer orders. Since we don't have a direct relationship between customer and product, we leverage the relationship of order to product and use this relationship to connect customer information with the product information. When we open the relationship of customer to order, we see all the properties that belong to concept order, which we can use in our queries. In this case, though, we'll travel the graph once more and open the relationships of order with product. Let's copy the product ID into our count. We'll use the customer concept from Timbr, the relationship schema, and we'll group by customer name. Now, let's run the query. And there you go. We just leveraged the relationships to combine information from separate tables without writing a single join, delivering the report in just 3 simple lines of SQL. This query is easy to understand, manage, and reuse. To see the actual query that Timbr pushed down to the database, we'll click on Explain Query. This is the query that a user would need to create without Timbr's relationships. So just like that, by using relationships, we were able to answer our question fast and with minimal effort. This is just a simple example. You're welcome to contact us to learn how Timbr facilitates more complex scenarios and use cases. Thanks for watching and have a great day.